Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag. It says hooray on one side, Ipsy on the other. Half pinkish purple, half more of like a orangish red. Then solid orange on the back. So very soft, lots of colors going on. I did get a blender brush. So that is my first item that they didn't put in the bag. So happy to have that. Card says, "Oh, what fun." And it does not have the products listed on here this time. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So first up we have Magnolia Bliss, Juliet Has a Gun. I've received this before, but it's been like real tiny little samples. This one's a lot bigger. I can't remember if I like it though. Let me spray it. Yeah, that's not bad. I would wear that. Then we have this big container. It says Too Pretty on it by Sophia and Mabel. It's a highlighter and blush duo. I don't use blush or highlighter, so I won't be using that, but it's a nice product size. It's pretty huge. And two more things in here. We have Tea Time. It says Rose Tea Eye Cream on it. It brightens and depuffs and firms. That's cool, I could definitely use that. And I've gotten a lot of stuff from this company, I like them. Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream from First Aid Beauty. Would definitely use that. So I at least got most things I would use in here. Anytime I do get like bronze or highlight or any of that, I don't use it, I'm kind of boring. So I usually just pass that along to a friend, but if you want to see what I get next month, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. If you want to join Ipsy, I have the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.